Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys during this lockdown period, which is free online courses Harvard University free online course with certificate. Before moving on to the course details, let me tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Moving further to the course details, so Harvard University is one of the top universities famous for its higher education. It is in USA, and this time due to this world lockdown, so Harvard University has taken a decision to offer 67 free online course this time, and prices are from 2000 to 2.5 lakh rupees. The duration of this course are 1 to 12 week. There is no kind of eligibility criteria to take admission in any kind of courses which they have offered, and students will obviously get a certificate from the university. So, what are the few courses which is provided by Harvard University? Entrepreneurship and emerging economy, mechanical ventilation for COVID-19, Hinduism through scriptures, back pain finding solution for your banking, control your blood pressure, Shakespeare, Merchant of Venice, Shakespeare, Hamlet, the architecture emerging, improving global health, and many more. So they have provided almost 67 plus courses, which is totally free. How to apply for this? This is the procedure for enrolling in Harvard University free course. So you have to open the link. By moving on to the link, you will go to the official website for registering for the course. This is the official website of Harvard University. You can see these are the subject areas, and here by clicking on view all courses, you will see all the courses they are providing. Programming, business, health and medicine. So they are providing courses for almost every area. You can choose any of the course which you want to pursue. Let's say introduction to computer science. So there is an option of take course. Click on take course and you will move to another web page. So you have to click on enroll. It will start from 18th April. Click on enroll. They're asking for your sign in details. If you already have account on EDX, so you can click on sign in and log into your previous account using the same details. If you are new here, so you will have to create an account. Create account by providing all the details. Select this and provide all the details they're asking for. Click on create account and you will have account created on this website. You will receive a mail through EDX for course timings and all other things. Moving on to Freshers Camp website, so we have provided all the information regarding this course. You can also refer to the website if you have any queries. So register as soon as possible. The opportunity awaits for you. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. The link for registering for Harvard University free online certification course is provided in the description. Thank you.